Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The PSEi has been trading within a slim range, moving between 6,188 and 5,955 in the past 2 weeks. Despite the small movements, the PSEi was able to form higher lows, allowing it to trade near the resistance of the 4-month downtrend channel. As previously highlighted, we remain keen on the possibility of a breakout or a reversal of the current downtrend. The likelihood of this scenario occurring may increase if the newly formed uptrend line remains unbroken. However, we note that the indicators that we monitor continue to signal soft momentum, which means that the local benchmark may continue to be vulnerable to downside pressures.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Security Bank Corporation. SECB's long-term trend is down, unable to catch up with its bigger banking peers' recovery since the pandemic. However, looking at the price action of the stock in the past 6 months, the stock formed a falling wedge pattern, a bullish reversal pattern. The stock is currently trading at 73.25. If it breaks out of the identified pattern, we may open a position at 79.70 as we anticipate that the stock could revisit its 6-month high of 99.30. Plotting the stop level for this trade idea at 71.35, we note that the risk-to-reward ratio is below 3:1, hence we suggest to limit your exposure on this stock.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.